What up, essays? We back on another one. Did you know that you can legally put a 15 amp receptacle on a 20 amp breaker instead of putting a 20 amp receptacle? There's a lot of people out there that still argue about this, but according to the NEC, it's an allowance. NEC 210.21 B3 receptacle ratings. It allows 15 amp receptacles to be installed on a 20 amp branch circuit when there are 2 or more receptacles on the. If it's a single receptacle, NEC 210.21 B1 requires it to be rated not less than the circuit size. Single receptacle, 20 amp circuit requires a 20 amp receptacle. And them's is facts, boys, facts. And in industrial or commercial, each receptacle is rated at 180 VA according to Section 220.14. So if you had 20 amps times 120 volts, that'd bring you to 2400 VA. So that would equal about 13 receptacles. But you want to be within 80% of that 2400 VA. And that would bring you to about 1920 VA. So I usually only install about 10 receptacles on any 20 amp breaker, if I even install that many. Which brings us to why I'm making this video. You see these little ear tabs right here? Well, this is what happens when you cut those ear tabs off on a surface mount install. You see, I let the boys take over for a little bit and I went and did some other stuff, and I came back and I seen that and I wondered, why is that thing so recessed inside of that cover plate? So I got up here and I took the cover plate off and I noticed right away that they cut the ears off of these yokes. You see, these ears allow you to catch onto that drywall and sit on that surface mount. But when you remove them, you tend to sink past the drywall and then your cover plate just doesn't look right because you have a gap from the face of your recept. And according to the NEC, that is not allowable. So I gotta go find the notorious ear cutter and have them redo these recepts. But until the next one, boys, stay safe out there.